dito pa kayo pinuntahan? Dito pa kayo pinuntahan?
Andiyan, sige.
Wala pa. Nag-hi lang ako. Hi, welcome back to our channel.
Hi, good morning. We're here in the... Ba't ka natatawa? Dapat di ka natatawa.
We are... welcome back to LRT Travels. We are on route to...
Kapaltawa ng jacket. Maginaw pa rin ng jacket. Yan. Yan.
Hey, you're going to Hong Kong. Okay. We're going to drink Hong Kong milk.
Hi, good morning. Welcome. Let's check your boarding pass, please. Thank you, Miss Red. Welcome. Good morning. Hi.
So, pala natin yung Starbucks.
Hi guys!
Hi, welcome to Hong Kong. This is my wife.
Hello!
Catherine. And this is my dad, Captain Leo Tenorio. So I'm at Tenorio now. And
what our agenda for
our agenda today is to eat after they change money. So this is our hotel. It's a Nathan Hotel. It's in the middle of Chong Kong. Just kidding.
Nahilo. So where are we going? Where are we going?
Somewhere down the road.
Lalagay ko ba ito sa YouTube ko? may 500. So this is...
Na may ano ka?
Ha? Na may 400 views. 457
Oh, yeah.
ata. Hello. We're just waiting for our
financer.
Our dad. Oh, it's so cold here. It's so windy.
Yeah, it's so cold. But look at this guy. He looks like Cesar Montano.
Thank you po.
Ooh,
we have allowance.
We have allowance. Thank you. So these are allowance.
Medyo matagal-tagal yan.
Thank you so much, Dad, for our allowance.
Hello, welcome to Hong Kong.
Welcome.
Let's go, kain na tayo.
Yep.
Okay.
Doon sa may food court.
Ang daldal natin.
Punta tayo sa food hall, guys.
So we're going to the food hall.
First agenda would be eating because we're hungry.
Yeah.
Then after a few hours, eating again. And then after a few hours, maybe sleeping.
Maybe a little walk and eat again.
miswa, oyster, dami natin pagkain. And, hindi ka gutom pa?
Hindi naman. Sarap.
May alak yung hipon. Ano kayo naligaw ni Mama dun? Pag silang dalawa ko dun. Ngayon ko lang sa...
Yeah, for sure.
They're great, yeah.
Sino pa
Hindi ko nga alam yung line.
Hanapin natin.
Hello, we're going to Avenue of Stars doon the waterfront.
Alvin and Catherine.
Hello, love, goodbye.
Hello, love, goodbye. Harbor, City. Harbor, tama ba? Harbor by the water. Malama.
Yeah. Diyan nakaupo sila. Tapos may may statue na ginaya niya, nakaganon siya. Yun ata yun.
Hindi Maya.
May?
First time ko ng ibon na hindi Maya. So ano yun ang mata?
Ayun! Ito yung ginagaya niya.
Behind the scenes. Gawin nyo na lang yun nasa official trailer.
Ay, nakakuli ka, babe. Na-search ko. Ako, search ko.
Hi guys, welcome to the harbor. Dito, Minda.
Hey guys!
Hi.
Ikot tayo dun in 3, 2, 1, go.
Tarahan mo kami.
Wala ka mabagal nyo eh.
Kasi saan ako pupunta? Maliit ako eh.
1, 2, 3, go. Ang bilis mo lang ikot natin.
Aray.
It's so pretty. Appreciate ni Risha to. Pag mga ganyan, naalala ko si Risha eh.
Saan ko matapang?